You know, I can't escape the feeling that this all could have been avoided had I just had the money ready in the first place.
He should have been ready.
By the way, I sold your Walkman for a tip.
Who?
Oh no, Sherry. We are so dead for killing that pizza man.
Stop saying pizza. It makes me hungry. Besides, we hid all the evidence. We're fine.
Well, if you say so.
Jiggers, Nando. It's the fuzz.
I can't go to prison. A guy like me, with a body like this. Oh, I can see it now. No, I'm a broad-shouldered bear. I'm broad-shouldered bear.
Nando, calm down and get the door.
Good evening. I come from the police station. Can I come in?
Yes. Please come sit.
Of course.
How are you today?
Oh, it's been a stressful day. I've been running all over town.
It's me,
Huh?
you big monkey.
Oh dear, no.
Nevermore! Nevermore!
What? Oh,
Nevermore!
what the?
Hey, Stinky!
All right, I did it! Is that what you want?
What?
It was the eye, don't you see? It was that horrible eye. It had to be done.
What?
I let him drown because I couldn't find enough change for the f***ing pizza. Take me away, officer.
Officer?
What?
Oh, no. I escaped from the police station. I'm a vampire.
Well, thank God that worked out.
And I'm here too.
Hi there, I'm Nando. Today's film was a very special story about murder. Did you know that the sentence for murder in the state of Indiana can range from 45 to 65 years? Anyway, here's Darude Sandstorm.